when there can be no compromise between power and efficiency. For the demanding long haul, a new way to push progress. The new cab and its signature V-shaped headlights is a tribute to the FH16's heritage. The confident look is bolstered by the grille and headlight panels, which have been moved outwards for improved aerodynamics. Safety is a part of our DNA, and our new adaptive high-beam lights are a prime example. A camera engineered to detect other vehicles selectively switches off LED segments that would otherwise blind vehicles both in front and approaching. The high beam still lights the unaffected parts of the road, and you experience far better nighttime driving conditions. The inside offers an ergonomic and comfortable work environment, with everything easily accessible. The dashboard has smart storage components and a fully digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution display. The cluster lets you select between 4 different screen views, depending on the driving situation and which information you wish to display. Our state-of-the-art side display provides infotainment, navigation, transport information and camera monitoring, including the new passenger corner camera. The side display is set within easy reach of the driver and can be controlled through the voice recognition system, the touchscreen, or by using the intuitively positioned buttons on the steering wheel. The new slimmer ergonomically designed I-shift gear selector allows you to move around inside the cabin more easily. With the new FH16, downhill cruise control and the electronically controlled braking system come standard, making our truck even safer. The most precious cargo is behind the wheel, so the FH16 offers a multitude of additional safety enhancements that makes the driving more relaxing, including our smart road sign recognition system. This is how you do more. The power for those who want the best. A new chapter in the world of transport.